Hi friends, today we are going to see about new upcoming electric cars in India. Please do watch full video. Do like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos. Number 1. Mahindra EKUV 100. Mahindra has launched a brand new electrical car at Auto Expo 2020 with 40 kilowatts of electrical motor capacity. The battery is 15.9 kilowatts liquid cooled charge. Charging of a battery is up to 80%. It's just within 1 hour, which has full fast charging capacity with an auto transmission gearing. Mileage of this full battery capacity is up to 147 km. The top speed of this vehicle is 85 km per hour. The extra facilities of this vehicle is rear parking sensor, dual front airbags, seat belt alert, overspeed alert and ABS with EDB. The ex-showroom price of this vehicle is 8.25 lakhs. The expected date of this launch will be September 16, 2020 from Mahindra. Has been announced this. Number 2. Renault Zoe. Renault has been planned to launch a new brand electrical vehicle in next 2021 with 68 kilowatts of electrical motor capacity and the battery is of 22 kilowatt lithium ion battery. The charging of this battery is as regular. There is no fast charging available in it. The transmission of gears is auto transmission. The total mileage of this vehicle is 400 km. The top speed of this vehicle is 135 km per hour. The extra specification of this vehicle has not been announced yet, but the ex-showroom price of this vehicle will be 8 lakhs. And the expected date of this car release will be February 15, 2021. Number 3. Maruti WagonR Electric. As we all know well about a new WagonR, now it's time to get an upgrade with all the electrical version of the Japanese WagonR with 50 kilowatt of electric motor. The battery has not yet been released with the regular charging and no fast charging available with auto gear transmission. The mileages of this vehicle with full charge will be 90 km only, where this is not been yet finalized. The top speed and specification of this vehicle has not been released yet. The ex-showroom price of this vehicle is 8 lakhs. Number 4. Tata Tiago EV, where this Tata Tiago has been launched this year, where the Tata will be able to achieve this electrical car with a good lowest price, and they have also been sold a good volume of Tiago this year, where this Tata Tiago EV has a good capacity of an electrical motor of up to 85 kilowatts and the battery capacity is 45 kilowatt hour, which has the fastest charging available with auto transmission gear, and the mileage of this car will be 100 km. The top speed of this vehicle will be 135 km per hour. The extra specification of this vehicle is which has 4 power windows with push start and stop keyless entry buttons with reverse sensor, touchscreen displays and dual airbag and ABS with EBD. The ex-showroom price of this vehicle is 6 lakhs. The expected date of release of this vehicle is December 15, 2021. Number 5. Renault KZD, where Renault has recently launched an electrical car vehicle in China. The same car has been planned to release in India soon, but the motor of this car capacity has not yet been released. But the battery capacity of this vehicle is 26.8 kilowatt hour with good fast charging, whereas 30 to 80% of charging will be taken place within an half an hour with auto gear transmission. The mileage of this vehicle is 250 km. The top speed of vehicle has not yet been released. The extra specification of this vehicle is which has 8 inches touchscreen, 4G Wi-Fi connectivity, online music support with air quality check sensor and tire pressure and monitoring system. The ex-showroom price of this vehicle is rupees 10 lakhs. The expected date of release of this vehicle is being on March 31st, 2022. Number 6. Hymer Bird Electric EV1. The Hymer Group and the Bird Electric Group has gotten collaborated and has been launched their vehicle in India as EV1 at an Auto Expo 2020. The motor capacity has not yet been released, but the battery capacity of this vehicle will be 28 kilowatt hour, which has a regular charging whereas no fast charging available in it. The gear will be auto transmission with the mileage of 300 km. The top speed up to will be 120 km per hour. The extra specification of this vehicle will be a dual front airbag and touchscreen in middle. The ex-showroom price will be rupees 10 lakhs. The expected date of launch is June 30, 2021. Thank you for watching full video. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos. We'll see you soon. Bye.